How to fix PDF files and documents not opening in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you have sent PDF files and documents or you've received. Click on the file and you'll find different options to open your PDF. And here you can simply switch to different apps and try opening the file. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply open Files Manager. Then click on Download and check your file in Download. Sometimes after you click the file, it will be directly downloaded. And here you can simply open the file easily. And this is how to fix PDF files and documents not opening in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.